Everyone, this is Eric back with Auto Replay, and you see the white SLK sold. I had two guys come up here. Guy had texted me, or he had actually called me, told me he'll come get $500. He actually showed up a day early. I was going to sell it Sunday to another guy, and I was like, hey man, I got to get all these parts off, you know what I'm saying? Because I went and made like $800 off of eBay listings, and they happened to be here, so I was like, you help me take the parts off, you know what I'm saying? I'll go ahead and sell the car to you $400, because then you provide labor for me, help me get the parts out, help me make money, and then helps me get rid of the car too. So they help me get the parts out. I'm gonna go ship all that out, and then they went and got cash, took the car and all this and that. And I ain't got the battery in the car, because I get the battery to Corey with the name Purple Monster, and he ain't gave my battery back, man. And the guy said he drove all the way to his shop and it cut off because he ain't had no battery. He didn't know he ain't had no battery. I was like, yeah, man, he ain't got no battery, and I just jumped it off. So I'm gonna go over there, jump them off so they get in the shop. But it is another weight lifted off. Now I'm driving this Dodge Nitro, which we just took to Port St. Joe. We stayed at a beach house for like 2 days with my brother. I ain't make a video because I was chilling, trying to stress about everything else. And this thing's tapping because it need oil change, so I gotta change the oil in this today too. I'm about ready to sell this too and go get me something nice, man. So we'll see, man. Alright, so we got the car over here in the storage unit over here at Orange Avenue. And had to do push it with my damn Nitro to his spot. And he showed me his spot over here. And I was like, hey man, how long you been here? You know what I'm saying? Because I'm like, he's like, I just got this place in June. I'm like, okay, so it's like July now. It's like, you been doing anything? He's not, I'm trying to get it going. I was like, okay, what's the easiest thing for you to do? You know what I'm saying? He's like, I don't know, oil change. I was like, shit, well, how much you charge to do oil change? He's like, well, you get all the stuff. I'm like, I got all the stuff. I got oil filters and all that already. And I was like, I get a drain pan, you know what I'm saying? I got that because I'm trying to grow with people, man, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm trying to get a shop over there if I can. And shit, I was like, I'll do the advertising, you know what I'm saying, get you customers, and if you're going to charge $15, $20 a head, whatever they bring the stuff, then, you know what I'm saying, give me a cut, whatever people come through, and you straight, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm thinking about, man. I'm trying to help people so they can make money and do their business, and then, you know what I'm saying, I'm not trying to take away, but, you know, have a mutual relationship, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, that's where I'm at right now, and I'm going back to the house. First, I'm going to the bank. That's the first thing I'm doing. Put this $400 cash in the motherfucking bank. That's what I'm doing, okay? That's the first thing I'm doing, because I'm putting I'm stacking all my stuff in one location, dog. I ain't letting nobody hold my money. I ain't touch nobody, dog. Fuck that, dog. I'm about to go put my shit up. Shit, straight as soon as I get it, man. If it ain't digital, that cash shit is trash, dog. That shit is going straight to the fucking bank, dog. It come digital. It's about to grow. So I'll watch y'all later, alright? That's what they call having